Hello and welcome to Law Seeku. Let us discuss the national news and the international news of the day for judiciary aspirants. Goa shipyard launched the indigenous pollution control vessel Samudra Pratap for the Indian Coast Guard on August 29, 2024. Attended by Minister of State Defence Mr. Sanjay Seth and senior officials, the launch marks a milestone in India's self-reliance in maritime environmental protection. Coming up to the next national news, Pakistan has extended an invitation to Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization's Council of Head of Government meeting in October 2024. As the current chair of the SCOCHD, Pakistan will host the two-day in-person event. The next news coming up, Shah Rukh Khan has claimed the top spot in the Silver Screen Titans category of the 2024 Haran India Rich List with a net worth of rupees 7,300 crore. He leads the list well ahead of Bollywood figures like Juhi Chawla on rupees 4,600 crore, Hrithik Roshan rupees 2,000 crore and Amitabh Bachchan rupees 1,600 crores, reflecting his immense success across various ventures beyond cinema. The next news coming up, Kavalya Vohra, a 21-year-old who is a co-founder of Zepto, has been named the youngest person on the Hurun India Rich List 2024 for the third consecutive year. With a net worth of rupees 3,600 crore. First appearing on the list in 2022 at the age of 19, Vohra remains the youngest among India's wealthiest. The 13th edition of the Hurun India Rich List features 1,539 individuals, including 272 newcomers, each with a net worth exceeding 1,000 crore. Coming up to the next national news, the Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved the establishment of 12 industrial smart cities with an investment of rupees 28,500 crore under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program. This initiative is expected to create 12 lakh direct jobs and 20 lakh indirect jobs. The next news, India's second nuclear power ballistic missile submarine INS Arighat was commissioned into the Navy on Thursday in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, present at the event, highlighted the submarine roles in bolstering India's nuclear triad and deterrence capability, marking a major step towards self-reliance in defense. The next news, Chief Minister Mr. Mohan Yadav announced the implementation of new scheme to boost investment in Madhya Pradesh, highlighting the Vedic clock in Ujjain as a global example of unique time determination and Bhopal's rise as a tourism hub. Mr. Yadav emphasized the state efforts to explore its vast tourism potential during the 39th annual conference of the Indian Association of Tour. The last news coming up, King Tuheitia, the 69-year-old monarch of the New Zealand's Maori, passed away on Friday following heart surgery. A symbol of national unity, he died peacefully, surrounded by family just after celebrating the 18th anniversary of his coronation. That's all for the news update. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.